Cover your windows with aluminum foil. This trick gives foil a whole new purpose in your home. While it's usually used for storing food or baking, you can repurpose it in a clever way. Here's how. Start by filling an empty spray bottle with water and misting the entire window surface. The water acts as a natural adhesive. Next, take standard aluminum foil and press it against the window with the shiny side facing out. The reflective side works like a mirror, bouncing off light. The damp glass helps the foil stick instantly. Cover the entire window, piece by piece, ensuring the foil adheres seamlessly. Smooth out any air bubbles for a clean finish. This aluminum foil layer will darken the room, creating a comfortable environment for rest, work, or movie nights. Unlike blinds or curtains, the foil is easy to remove without leaving any marks. It's one of the simplest and cheapest ways to quickly reduce incoming sunlight. Using something you already have at home in a completely new and practical way. Place a banknote in the window to check your mode. It could save you from high bills. Your window has summer and winter modes, and adjusting the screw controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. In winter mode, the banknote will be pinched, while in summer mode, you can easily pull it out. Increase the pressure in winter to keep the heat in and lower heating costs. Here's my secret for streak-free, shiny windows. The tannins act as a natural cleaner, removing grease and dirt. Grab a cup and a tea bag, make sure it's black tea. Pour hot water into the cup, filling it halfway. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes. Then, take a spray bottle and funnel. Remove the tea bag and pour the tea into the spray bottle. Add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon, which works as a degreaser and antibacterial agent. Fill the rest of the bottle with water, and your mixture is ready. Spray it on your windows and wipe with a microfiber cloth, making sure to cover all areas. After this trick, you'll get amazing results. This affordable homemade window cleaner will leave your windows sparkling clean. Remember, by brewing strong black tea and using it as a cleaning solution, you can achieve streak-free, shiny windows. A clever trick with a binder clip that you've never heard of before. I wish I had known about this earlier because it's truly a genius solution. Sometimes we want to leave a window slightly open, but worry that it might open wider or close completely. Did you know that a simple binder clip can help keep the window in a fixed position? Just place the clip on the window frame. Then gently close the window until you feel resistance. Hook the clip onto the metal screw in the window frame. Done. This way the window will stay open by a few centimeters. It's a simple way to better control the window's position. It allows for ventilation without the risk of the window opening uncontrollably. Such clips are easily available and inexpensive. Just make sure it's securely attached. With this solution, you can enjoy fresh air in your home. Try this trick today and enjoy comfortable ventilation in your home. Your windows will shine like never before. You'll be able to admire the world through streak-free windows. For many people, it's like discovering the Holy Grail. For others, this method remains unchanged over the years. You'll learn how to professionally clean windows, using products and items that you probably already have at home. The windows will look like new. Cleaning windows so that there are no streaks on them sometimes seems impossible. Although most people reach for such products, it's not a good choice. They're suitable for cleaning mirrors or shower cabins from the outside. You need this dishwashing liquid and this. You'll learn how to use them right away. First, pour plenty of water into a bowl or bucket. Dissolve a few drops of any dishwashing liquid in it. The water shouldn't foam. There should only be a little liquid in it. Clean the windows first with this water. You'll remove all the dirt and dust from them after winter. Remember that it's best to wash windows on a cloudy day. Washing windows in the sun largely contributes to streaks. When the windows are already cleaned from the layer of dust, pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Add the same amount of warm water. Literally add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. And add a dozen drops of glycerin. It's available at any pharmacy. Spray the windows with this mixture and wipe them gently with a cloth. Then polish them with ordinary newspapers. Glycerin will leave a protective layer. Thanks to it, dust or dirt won't settle on the window, and water will run off without leaving traces. The scent of vinegar will also discourage insects from sitting on the window, and the newspapers will guarantee that there won't be a single streak on the windows after cleaning. A sanitary pad can clean your windows, and you'll never have to climb a ladder again. Let me show you the best way to clean your exterior windows. With this trick, your windows will shine like never before. Take a sanitary pad and attach it to a Swiffer. Then, remove it from the packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it onto the Swiffer. Now, spray the pad with window cleaner. Use this setup to wash your windows. You won't need to climb a ladder, and you'll be able to reach every window with ease. Remember to spray the pad with more window cleaner from time to time. Wipe the windows again. You'll see how the pad effortlessly picks up dirt. Your windows will be sparkling clean and shine like never before. You can also use this tool to clean the front and rear windshields of your car. It's a simple yet highly effective way to remove dirt and streaks. With a sanitary pad, your windows will be spotless. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water, then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick. Here's how you can refresh any wall without painting. It will be clean, free from dust and dirt. It turns out that Swiffer isn't just great for cleaning floors. I've discovered another excellent use for it, and I'm sure you'll start using it too. Cleaning your home has never been this enjoyable. Start by grabbing your Swiffer and attaching a dry dusting cloth to it. Thoroughly wipe down the walls. You might not see it with the naked eye, but they really are dusty. Just take a look at the cloth afterward. Next, prepare a bowl of warm water and add a bit of dish soap. Prepare it as if you were about to mop the floor. Take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the soapy water, and then wring it out well. It's important not to apply too much water to the wall. Now, attach the microfiber cloth to the Swiffer and use it to wash the wall. You'll clean it thoroughly without much effort. You can see that besides dust, my wall had some dirt too. Now it looks as if it has just been freshly painted.